PCB up on new, right click the temporary places, add new folder, control points, okay, add a point, number 1, move it upper left, okay, add another one, name it number 2, move it lower left, okay, add number 3, move it to upper right, okay, add number 4, move it to lower right, okay, right click the folder of control points, save as, okay, control point KMZ, save, turn off all layers except the control point, file, save the image, image number 1, save, go to ArcMap, conversion tools from KML to layer, browse to control point KMZ, output location, define the folder, add, okay, add your image 1, add, okay, right click the image, zoom to layer, zoom to point number 1, from georeference toolbar click add control point, click in the center, one click, right click the points, zoom to layer, match it to point number 1, repeat this step, right click the image, zoom to layer, zoom to point number 2, add control point, move the cursor to the center, right click the point shapefile, zoom to layer, click point number 2 in the center, zoom to point number 3, add control points, click here, then here, go back to the previous extent, zoom to point number 4, add control point, click the points in the image, then click the points in the shapefile, view link table, save your table as text file, okay, close the table, full extent, zoom in to your extent, now you have a Google Earth image as a background to your layers. Thank you.